1,000 friends! Oh, getting the sneezies is the worst.
I think missing Happyville's summer celebration is even worser.
I can't believe we missed the fireworks, too.
What's summer without fireworks?
It's like ice cream without sprinkles.
Or a beach without sunshine.
Bubbles!
Ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Watch us light up the sky. There's magic in the air tonight. Let's light up the sky. There's magic in the air tonight. Oh, hello.
Who are you? Don't you know this is a closed rehearsal?
Can we help you with something?
Oh, we're sorry. We didn't mean to interrupt.
Oh, it's okay. We're just working on tonight's big show. Trying to get this song just right.
A show? Oh, we love shows.
Then why are you sad? Shows are supposed to make people happy.
It's just, we got sick and missed the biggest Happyville show of the summer. And now we're sad.
We missed the fireworks and everything.
Biggest show of the summer? Not possible. Not possible at all. Our show is the biggest, best, and most incredible show of the summer.
Oh, I'm not sure it's the most incredible show this summer, but it's pretty spectacular. Right, everyone?
Amazing!
Incredible! A force of nature.
Your show is a force of nature?
Well, we are Fireflies after all.
I have an idea. Why don't you just come to the show and see for yourself?
That's a great idea. Why don't you come tonight and bring your friends?
Really? We're invited?
Yay! We're gonna see a show! We're gonna see a show! We're gonna see a show!
Woohoo!
Back to work, everyone. We have a big audience tonight. I almost forgot. Sassy, tell them the rules.
Oh, yes. I almost forgot, too. Firefly shows have very important rules. First, you must arrive before it gets dark. Second, don't sit on big blankets. Our little fireflies stay on the grass, so be very careful. Third
is we handle our own lighting. Absolutely, positively, no flashlights.
Can we point the flashlights down at the ground? Well, how will we get home in the dark?
If you must, put red plastic over the light and point it down, never in our faces.
Then, lights out. I promise it won't be dark for long. Our show is going to light up the sky.
This is so exciting!
Bubbles, let's go tell all our friends. See you later, Fireflies.
Hello, Brayden and Babbles. So glad you're both feeling better. Thank you for inviting us tonight.
Hi, Lionstein. We are so happy all our friends are here.
I'm so excited. It finally feels like summer. Okay, everyone, lights out. I think they're ready to start.
Thank you for coming, everyone. Welcome to our biggest show of the summer. What is light up the sky. There's magic in the air tonight. Don't blink, you can't miss a thing. There's magic in the air tonight. Hold up a chair, someone's here. Move to the music, we'll show you how to do it. Watch us light up the sky. There's magic in the air tonight. Watch us light the sky. There's magic in the air tonight, tonight. Good night, Happyville! So, what'd you think? How'd you like the show?
Oh, that was so beautiful.
I told you, best show of the summer, right?
It was spectacular!
That was amazing. There's nothing better than nature's very own fireworks. Bravo! Bravo!
Thank you so much. Well, friends, time to fly. See you next year. Toodaloo!
You know what, Bubbles? I think this show was the perfect beginning to a perfect summer.
Like sprinkles on your ice cream?
Even better.
Hi, little learners.
Wasn't that Firefly show amazing?
Fireflies are super cool. They put on a show every summer near grassy and wooded areas.
In the summertime, their lights flash brighter and more sparkly as it gets dark.
That's why we call them nature's fireworks.
But remember, put a piece of red plastic over a flashlight and point it at the ground, not at the fireflies.
Oh, and let's not put fireflies in jars. They want to be free to light up the sky.
It's a beautiful day to come and play and learn a thing or two. With Bubbles and friends, the fun never ends. We're ready, how about you? Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends. Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends, Bubbles and friends. Bubbles and friends.